Trophic level. Any class of organisms that occupies the same position in a food chain. Scavengers. An organism or animal that feeds on dead organic matter. Decomposers. An organism that breaks down the cells of dead plants and animals into simpler substances.
A primary consumer is an animal that's fed on plants. They're also known as herbivores. A producer is an organism such as a plant that is able to make their own food. A secondary consumer is a carnivore that's fed upon only herbivores.
Heterotroph, an organism requiring organic material for its principal source of food. Autotroph, an organism capable of feeding itself with inorganic material.
Food web, a series of organisms related by predator-prey and consumer-resource interaction. Food chain, a chain that goes from the food source to the ultimate consumer. A flower is a producer. It is eaten by a caterpillar, who is the primary consumer, and the caterpillar is eaten by a bird, who is the secondary consumer. And in this case, a predator too, because it eats the caterpillar.
Algae, a producer, is eaten by the little fish, a primary consumer, and the little fish is eaten by the bigger fish, who is the secondary consumer. The bigger fish is eaten by the dolphin. The dolphin is the top consumer.
The green plant, a producer, is eaten by the mouse. The mouse, the primary consumer, is eaten by the rabbit, the secondary consumer. Then the rabbit is eaten by the wildcat, which makes it the tertiary consumer. At last, the wildcat is eaten by the lion, which makes it the top consumer and the top of the food chain.